Welcome to another one of my great listings in Plantation Village, St. Anne. Before that though, welcome to Jamaica Homes. Remember to like, share and subscribe on this YouTube channel. But my listing here is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home on a quarter-acre lot in this beautiful development. 24-hour security, as you can see, and a great location. Grizzly's Plantation, which is a great venue, is right across the road here. You can literally pack your bags and walk across the Rebel Salute January of every year. And then within walking distance is Plantation Smokehouse, a great eatery, and newly opened Tiki Tail, which I hear offers great sushi. I'm yet to try it out. But also, I would say within walking distance as well is Richmond Development, which offers a great restaurant and deli at the front. So you have many dining options. And remember, Ochoyos is only 15 minutes away, and you're an hour and a half from Montego Bay. So pack your bags, jump on a plane, and fly home to Plantation Village. Welcome to my newest listing at Plantation Village, Prairie, St. Anne. It's this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5-bathroom house on a quarter-acre lot in Plantation Village. It's a gated community with 24-hour security. This property is almost at the end of a cul-de-sac, so it gives it that additional privacy. I mean, there are a couple lots around it that are vacant, as you can see. A couple of houses around it as well, which means it's not isolated. The lot is well fruited, particularly at the back, so I'll do 2 videos, one with the outside first. So we enter here. There's a garage on the ground floor. And then I'm just going to walk the perimeter of the property, but particular emphasis at the back, which has some fruit trees. But it has fantastic sea views both on the ground and on the top floor. And this house offers 4 balconies, which gives it a lot of outside space. 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs, but when I'm doing the interior video you'll see more of that. So it's well fruited, coconuts, this is a lime tree, sweet sap, OTT apple. Actually there are 2 apple trees. This is sour sap right here, another coconut tree, avocado, ackee, bananas, and lastly, I'll have to find out what tree this is. But in a nutshell, it's good use of space. This is the southern end of the property as I make my way around to the front. So we're entering on the ground level. You could enter from the garage here, which is automated, or through the main entrance here. We're going through the main entrance. On the ground floor is a nice spacious living room here. The house is very airy and offers a lot of natural light. Then it flows into the dining area, which offers a sea view as well from the ground floor. And then we flow into the kitchen. Nice big kitchen here. There's space for a pantry, which wasn't built out properly, but the space is there for the new owner to add their own touch to it. On this floor, as mentioned before, is a bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Nice walk-in shower with a built-in seating, built-in seat. Very practical, especially for the elderly, or anyone for that matter. And then this bedroom opens out onto a veranda here, which also opens out from the kitchen from that door. And again, sea views. Backyard, which we saw before. Completing this floor is the powder room here. And then this is sitting here. This door leads to the garage. We're now going to go upstairs where the other 3 bedrooms are located. Let's start with the primary bedroom, which is here. Again, a lot of windows. And it has its own balcony here. I won't go there now because she has a dog that's outside. But nice balcony. And I like the positioning of the bed here to take advantage of the sea view, which we can see from here. Windows are screened, so we're gonna go upstairs. Then, huge bathroom here. Shower stall is separate, which offers a lot of privacy. And then, believe it or not, I thought this was a bonus room, but it's actually a walk-in closet. This is more than a walk-in. Huge. Has a lot of potential, not totally built out, but there could be shelves along the wall, and it can be configured as the new owner sees fit. And a view from the bathroom as well. Heading to other 2 bedrooms on this floor. This is an office which could be turned into a 4th bedroom upstairs. And then the bathroom is Jack and Jill, but we'll get to that. This is a balcony again. Offering a view. This is the balcony that I was saying leads out from the primary bedroom. So from the office, we're going through this bathroom, which, as I mentioned, is a Jack and Jill. It can be accessed from the other bedroom. Shower stall again. Bedroom number 3. Second upstairs that I'm featuring. So access to the bathroom. And lastly, the 3rd bedroom upstairs, which is the 4th for the house here. Cupboards weren't totally complete.